Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we're going to be talking about Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's going to be a very short stream. Don't have a lot of time, but thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. I know some of you here are live, expecting me to do some other stuff today. I can just only do Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tomorrow I might be having a little bit more time to go through a lot more coins, but just bear with me tonight. We'll just keep it short. So if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out right now. YouTube, hopefully it'll work. There we go. It did go out of YouTube. I'll just post it there at the top, and we'll keep on rolling. Let's go to the main screen where the magic happens. And look at the market cap and then Bitcoin, right? I'm just waiting for this comment to come through on YouTube. Here we go. There it is. Pin to the top, Discord, right? You can join me there. Total market cap on the daily. We gone down yesterday. We're still testing and we're still above that 50% retrace, right? Which is fine. Now, if we lose this area, where can we go? The next area of support would very likely be here at the 618. There's some areas here that we might try to hit above that 618. Maybe around 1.5 trillion dollars. Hopefully we won't go that low and we'll stay above $1 trillion, and we'll try to stay also here above that 50% retrace at 1.29 trillion dollars. Yesterday, like I said, we dropped 2.33% today, going up very little, 0.25%. It is Thursday, starting Friday for the market. Hopefully we get a green weekend. It's been bad for Bitcoin and Ethereum, mainly a little bit more for Bitcoin, but right now Bitcoin's not doing that bad. The market's green, which should be fine. Now, on that note, is there anything here that we're building? No. Low to high, negative, less negative, right? There's still nothing happening here. We could just consider this part of that consolidation that we're getting. Whoa, that's crazy. Neutral at 40.61. So let's move on to, hopefully I won't get power outage. There's just like insane lighting going out outside. Bitcoin dominance at 45.89. Dropped dominance yesterday, dropping dominance today, right? Not a lot, but still at 45.85% of market cap. The price of Bitcoin at $31,941 is trying to reach his $30,000 mark. We're still outside of this line that we drew when we were on the fallen wedge. We're still back testing it, failing to get above it, right? Or failing to really push from it. Not really get above it, but push from it. And it leads me to believe that we should probably re-anchor this and maybe consider the wicks, right? Maybe consider the wicks here for the analysis. And if that is the case, we're also getting that same break, right? Because I'm going with this wick here and this wick here. I thought I was going to get different touch points. I didn't. So let's re-anchor the way we had it. It's all good. It is a break. It's just not a breakout with strength. There's also not a lot of volume. If you look at the volume on the daily, look at the volume. It's just tapered off. Even here with the moving down, we didn't have as much volume as we had with this move here. So movements are happening. There's just not volume behind them. Still, tightness of the Bollinger Bands at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, which is not very good. We want to be somewhere in the middle if we want to, attempt to go higher. But we usually come to the bottom, then we try to bounce to the top. We need to break above that 20 moving average line. And if we do, bigger chance that we try to explode on the Bollinger Bands to the upside and expand them. And with that, get positive action for Bitcoin. Now, on the Bitcoin price, look low to high, negative momentum, less negative momentum, and low to high as well. There's nothing here that is bullish. Neutral at 40.70. Yesterday we didn't get a lot going on. We did drop, but we didn't drop insanely bad. What's up, Jason? Again, very, very quick stream tonight, guys. Just Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's it. Forgot to say no more coins. No more coins. I just wanted to come in real quick, talk to you guys, tell you that everything's gonna be okay. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, child. You should be okay. If you're getting to the lower levels, you should be fine. It's not the end of the world. Bitcoin is really until we crash 30,000s, we're not in trouble yet. Stuff is happening with the Bitcoin. Let's go to this chart. We had bullish divergence. We did get the action to the upside. We rejected the 20, and in that rejection, we broke back down. Now we are failing to stay within this area of this fallen wedge, which again would lead me to believe that if we're not in a fallen wedge, we might be within a downsloping channel. Could try to adjust to that. I'm not going to do it right now. But I'm looking at the fact that we still have strong bullish divergence, and we got it as support. Remember what we said yesterday? If we fail to get above 30, or 2 days ago, if we fail to get above 33,090 and get back onto this level, we're looking very likely to retest this area, 31,432. That is precisely where we went, and we dropped a little bit more, which is fine, not the end of the world, but we still managed to close above that zone, and we have strong bullish divergence. That should imply that we are looking for action to the upside, and the price of Bitcoin is not as weak as it would seem. So hopefully we'll be able to get a bounce here, get above that 20, and still push a little bit higher on Bitcoin. That'll be awesome. So let's check here. Low to high as well. Look at this. I'm gonna assume in here just to confirm. Low to high, yeah, definitely. All right, so strong bullish divergence in the MACD and the RSI. We're on the sold. We are right now in that neutral 40.76, still pointing up, which is fine. Now we need to get back onto this line. This old line that used to be support now has become a resistance, right? We're rejecting right there right now. So we should be looking for action to the upside, right? Dude, I'm not gonna be doing coins today, Jason. Dude, it's just a very, very quick stream. Sorry, Produce the Beats, man. I'm just gonna go very, very short term today. Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's it. No more. I don't have time for more coins. I'm sorry about that, guys. I really wish I could have more time for other projects. I just don't have a lot of time right now. It's gonna be short stream. Tomorrow I might have a little bit more time, hopefully, and we'll be able to do a regular time stream. And we'll go with that, right? So I'm not taking requests. There's a lot of requests happening on the Discord. I'm not able to go through them today. They're gonna be on the Q4 tomorrow. So please come in tomorrow and we'll do those, right? Anyways, try to move back up. Next target, if we get above this line, this blue line here, right, the resistance, we're going to be targeting that 20 moving average at 32,447. Hopefully we can get there. Right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, yeah, fun was great, man. Well, we're going to go out to dinner. That's why I'm doing a short stream. I just wanted to jump in real quick. Talk market, a lot of people are scared. We did have a drop. We went to levels that we knew we could go to, right? Like these levels we're not strange to. We talked about this the other day. We said if we fail to get above this area, we're gonna calm down here. We did that a couple days ago. Right, 2 days ago, we said we even called targets to the downside and potentials to the upside. So we did come to our down target. It's fine. On the 1 hour, we are getting above that 20 moving average. We're rejected once. On the next candle, get above again. Right now, getting above that blue line, getting above that target gets us to where we can trigger the target at the 32,000 levels. 30,400 and change. That's where we called it at. Is there anything bearish? No. High to low, positive was positive, and high to low. So nothing bearish here. Bitcoin doing okay. Not really worried about it right now, at least with this bullish divergence and getting above that 20 moving average shows a little bit of strength here. We're looking for some kind of line, resistance line, I guess. Once we broke it to the upside, we said short-term bull trend. We did go short-term bull trend until we found resistance at 33,000, and that rejection, we just run the channel all the way down the $31,000 mark. Now we're trying to run back up. We'll see if we can range here for a little bit. Hopefully we'll have a slow weekend. And we'll see where that's at, right? Thanks, man. That's all good. That's it for Bitcoin. Let's go check out Ethereum real quick. I'll come back to Bitcoin in a second just to round off, make sure I didn't miss anything. Ethereum did hold. It tried to hold support at 1,844. I was worried about Ethereum. I was really thinking we're going to go to the 1,700s. We do have a technical that would point down there. We still have this hidden divergence. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Neutral at 41.79. There's nothing bullish that would suggest that we're going to go higher right now. At least not in the 4 hour. So we could consolidate the zone for a bit. Right, we could keep on doing this thing where we maybe try to go slightly higher, but fail to go slightly higher, and then we fail to go slightly lower, and we're going into a triangle formation. Would not necessarily be bad, and it would give consolidation around this level, which would be okay at 1,953. Am I happy about the price of Ethereum? No, but we knew we could go there. Look, we had this move, right? We had this move that would point for us to get here. We had this hidden divergence. We called it a couple days ago, 2 days ago to be precise, when we were live. We got that action to the upside, hit that 20 rejecting, but we're failing to go lower than the previous low. Right now, we're hitting that 20 moving average again, and we're attempting to break through it. Not successful right now. If we reject that 20, we could be coming lower again, and we might even attempt to go lower than this previous low and create more bullish divergence and then try to run from there. But right now, this bullish divergence is what we have. It's not that bad. This line here is from the 1 hour chart, so I'm going to send it back there. It's not letting me send it back. Oh, that's because I have that tool. That was why. Sorry, I just got to remove that dot that I had there. There it is. Look at the 4 hour chart. And it's weird that I have this in the 4 hour. Oh, yeah, we had divergence here. Very short term. We did kill this divergence, by the way. We didn't keep it by the time we close the market. So we're going to get rid of this. It's all good. We had bullish divergence here. We no longer have it. We're going slightly lower. And it's fine. No worries. This bullish divergence still came in, kicked in, and moved us higher. Hit that 20, like I said, rejecting, trying to go for it again. Not the end of the world. High to low, positive plus positive, high point to a lower point. Neutral at 43. There's really not a lot happening for Ethereum. So again, sideways motion here wouldn't be that bad. Low, lower low, negative, less negative, low to high, right? So we have strong bullish divergence here in the short term. We had bullish divergence here already, and I was waiting for this cross to happen. It didn't happen here when I was looking for it. It happened here with that action to the upside. It's fine. No MACD strategy entry. For MACD strategy entry to be confirmed, we need to be above the 200 moving average, and we are not above that 200 moving average right now, right? It's all good. Let's get this going. This is here. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. It's super short stream right now. And we're going to see what's going to happen here. High to low, positive is positive, and high to low. There's nothing bearish here. Shorter term, there is. I was looking at the highest point. We don't have anything from there. Here on this part, we do have some hidden bearish. I'm hoping it doesn't kick in. Hoping this strong bullish is strong enough to get us to go higher. We did move and broke that 20 moving average, and right now we're really trying to get away from it, unlike Bitcoin that is just barely breaking it and trying to get away from it right now. It's not looking that bad for Ethereum. Again, we got this very nice cross here. Hopefully we can keep on building and making more positive momentum, so we could be looking for higher prices, maybe get above that 2,000, maybe get above that 1,100. That'll be very beneficial for Ethereum. Look, Ethereum is not looking that bad, because when we compare it to Bitcoin, look at how Bitcoin moved here. It dropped more, right? And then it's starting to pump. Again, like I said, just getting above that 20 right now. But Ethereum kind of held here, right? It didn't have that sharp drop that Bitcoin had. Were Ethereum to have that move, it would very likely would have triggered somewhere around here, the 1,850s. And we didn't go there. So we had the bullish divergence. We still kept it from here to here. And to here, where we were live here, we looked at it and we still built it to here, and then we just took off from there, right? Moved up, everything was good. So we knew it was a chance. We got above that 20, great. Broke the 20, rejected, moving down. All good. Now we're getting above that 20. Let's wait and see if this this bearish divergence triggers. If it triggers, retest of that 20 moving average. Right now, that 20 moving average at 1,922. And if we break that 20, we could be looking for a test of 1,844. So that's it for this. Let's go back to the corn again. Drew, what's up? Super short stream, man. Thank you very much for being here. Let's recap the daily. First things first, stuff I forgot to anchor, right? This is not from here. This is from the 4 hour. It came over. This is from the 4 hour. I forgot to anchor. There we go. Awesome. So on the daily, bearish divergence, hidden, moving down. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. We're still ranging, we still hit targets, and we are on the move. So on the 4 hour, right? Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. We're rejecting this line that we're above when we did this. So again, it's very, very key for Bitcoin to get back above that blue line and retest that 20 moving average. That would be the target if this bullish divergence were to kick in. Neutral at 40.45. We were sold back to neutral, so we should be looking to come up here to this middle point, maybe around that 50 before we move again. But remember, volume is trash. There is no volume right now. I understand something. Does anyone have any metrics on how bad this stolen or lost Ethereum hurts their future POS validator mechanism? I have no clue, man. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Again, action to the upside and bullish divergence starting to go up. Hand resistance where we're supposed to find it. Like I said, hopefully we're able to still push through this. There's nothing else here that is bullish. There's no other pattern building that we could rely on. We're neutral at 49.15. Very, very close to that 50 area here on the RSI. Quick Ethereum, and then I'm going to sign off. So again, very short stream. It was around 18 minutes, dude. This is the shortest stream ever. 16 minutes. Sideways, right? Bearish, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Again, bearish divergence starting to build. We're getting this cross here that it's bringing this positive momentum. Hopefully this will still be able to get us to go higher. That's what I'm hoping to see here. Again, if we fail and we reject here with this hidden divergence, we could be looking for a test of 1,844. Guys, that is going to be it for tonight. Sorry about the super short stream. Again, if you liked what we did, hit the like, hit the bell, and hit the sub, right? We have like 24 people watching, only 11 likes. But hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. You can also join me on Twitter, on the Discord. Links pinned at the top. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Again, this is State of Crypto. I am your host, Martin. It was a pleasure being here on this Thursday night. I'm sorry I had to keep it super short today. But talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is all for entertainment and education purpose only. On that note, I will catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Guys, until then, and I hope you enjoy your Thursday night.